Let's do it. Today we are continuing the series of Gordon Ramsay in 10 because the first recipe was so good, so quick, we loved it so much, we're going to do more. And today we're making cauliflower steak. I know, vegetables, but we're adding a lot of yummy spices and ingredients to it, and cauliflower is good for you, so we thought let's give it a try.
First, let me start the clock. 10 minutes.
I was hoping you'd forget.
Okay, we're under a 10-minute challenge. Okay, starting now. Okay, so he says that what we want to do is get the steak right in the middle because that is like the best cut and the most even cut. So we're going to make it into a 1-inch steak. Ooh!
What,
that sounded
already?
dangerous.
What's going on?
Yeah, so we're going to do, I have my one steak, it is 1 inch, it looks perfect. What we're going to do is put a little EVOO. And I'm going out without Gina because we have no time. No time.
What?
Okay,
I'm with
so
you.
he does say, when you place it in, place it away from you. I'm like, oh, that is smart because I usually just drop it right in. Okay, we're already down a minute. Okay, a little salt. A little pepper. We're going to add in whole garlic cloves, and he just smashes it. So don't be shy.
We're just trying to savor the oil, the juices around it, because we are going to glaze it with the juice to help add the flavor to the cauliflower.
Oh, some caraway seeds. He does put a little in. I didn't have caraway seeds, but I'd rather substitute for that if you can use whole mustard seeds.
Oh, I got caraway seeds just for this recipe.
Ooh, fancy.
Interesting smell.
Some lemon juice. And he actually throws the rind in too, so I'm doing it.
Me too. So far, we're just like Gordon Ramsay. Just like him.
3 minutes. Okay. And then he puts in a couple pats of butter. He says that actually helps to toast and create a nice like caramelization on our cauliflower.
Second pan we're going to warm up. And we're going to add caraway seeds and some sliced almonds. We're a little behind, so we are going to multitask up. 1 pan, 2 pan, why not add another thing? Let's start something else. Dill, mint, and parsley leaves, he rolls them up like, he said, like a fat cigar. And then you're just going to chop it once.
It's time for us to flip over our steak. Oh yeah, mine's caramelized. Ooh. I'm going to put a little water into the cauliflower, and we're gonna close it up and let it steam. Okay, salsa verde, shallots.
I've got this all under control. Do we not like the under control, Gina?
Yes, and it's really sad that the out of control cat exists.
Interesting. Very interesting. Looks like I found my niche in 10 minutes. 10-minute meals, I can do it. 30-minute meals is a lot harder for some reason. I don't know.
Oh, we have a minute and a half. A little salt and pepper, a little mustard, red wine vinegar, brown sugar, EVOO. Okay, shh. Okay.
Did you
mix it all.
Your timer?
I just shook it. Oh no.
I didn't have any
bay
dill.
leaf. He didn't. He also forgot to put his bay leaf into his cauliflower. We still got time. I thought being a vegetarian cooking was going to be easier, but it is not. I have the herb de Provence, which is something that he does grab. He just grabs like a couple pinches of it. So that is like a mixture of a bunch of spices. All right, I'm going to start glazing. It looks so fabulous.
All right, so clearly Kat and I did not make the time. When you watch Gordon Ramsay do it, it seems like, yeah, I got it. Okay, you do that, you do that. All right, sounds good. We're not the worst cooks, says me. But I don't think you can do it in 10 minutes. I think for us to do it in 10 minutes, we would have to have everything prepped. He chops as he goes, and I just don't think we're at that skill level yet, so. I just got shot in the face. Oh my goodness.
It's good. Mm-mm-mm.
So good.
What's good is that verde. It gives it that punch, the acidity that you need, and then you get the crunch from the almonds.
So good. So good. That's all I can say.
But it's so good, and it's simple, but like complex at the same time. So good.
So good.
But thanks for joining us. We're so glad to try another Gordon Ramsay dish, especially a Ramsay and 10 dish. We love cauliflower, so now we found a new use for it that we can make at home and make it elegant, and it will impress your guests. So,
Oh my God. We love you, Ramsay.
make sure you hit that bell and subscribe so that you don't miss the next recipe that we make. See you guys next week. What? We just started! The stress is getting to me.